Good morning traders, welcome to another trading day with Fellow. On today's video, I'll be breaking down exactly what I'm looking at on GBPUSD, EURUSD and GBPAUD, and I will be telling you exactly what I'm expecting, if it's a buy or a sell. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you receive notifications for every new video that I share on this channel. That being said, let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is GBPAUD. This is the 1 hour time frame. First, I want you to look at exactly what's happening. Remember yesterday I told you we're expecting price to give us something like this from here, a pullback to this point for us to buy all the way up to 1.34500, which what happened? It did not play out that way. Instead, price break above first. Okay, so from here, price moved to the upside, which was a good confirmation we bought around here. And then we're expecting price to pull all the way up to 1.34500, which what happened? Price rather failed us and stopped us out. Okay, I was actually in this sell. So right now that price has pulled all the way down to this key level where we're expecting price to come to. Are we buying or did we buy? Personally, I'm not in a buy right now, simply because looking at what we have here, you see we've had a trend line broken. Okay, we're creating higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, because this high is higher than this one. Now what do you see? We had a change of character on the 1 hour time frame. This is internal. All right, so if price pulls back to this zone, we can be looking for a sell setup. It's very possible. Okay, that being said, I want us to look at the bigger picture. Okay, and I think here I have everything marked out. Excuse me. I have everything marked out. Let's just look at it on the daily time frame. What we were expecting on GBPUSD. So looking at GBPUSD, you see that price has been trading within this hour range. Okay, so whenever price taps on this zone, there is a reaction. These are the two major key levels, or yes, the two major key levels we have on GBPUSD right now. Okay, we all know overall we are bullish, but now within this range we saw a bearish change of character internally, and we're expecting price to give us this pullback since last week, which did not pull. It did not give us the pullback we wanted all the way up for us to have this sell from here pulling down. So looking at the 4 hours time frame, you see that price has been ranging. Okay, let me show you something. Price has been creating a consolidation, because look at these lows. We have equal lows. Okay, and then you see price has been ranging within the zone. So is it possible for us to break to the upside? Yes, because first, we have not closed below this zone, giving us a lower low. Okay, and we've not closed above this zone, giving us a higher high, which means price is still playing around the zone. So there's a possibility for price to still pull all the way up before we crash. So as of now, we are close to weekend. We'll be watching closely to see exactly what the market will present to us between today and tomorrow. But internally, as we all saw earlier, you realize that we've had an internal break of structure. Where is it? Oh, this is not the chart. Okay, so we've had an internal break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, telling us there's a possibility for us to see some sells to the downside much deeper. Okay, but as of now, we have nothing to do. We just stay patient, and if price pulls all the way to 1.34000 and gives us an engulfing or any confirmation, then we'll be looking to sell off to at least 1.33000, where we're thinking price has to pull to. Okay, that being said, that's what we have on GBPUSD. Let us visit EURUSD and see exactly what EURUSD has been doing. So this is the 1 hour time frame, and you'll clearly see that the trade we spoke about the other day actually smoked SL, and it has been ranging within this zone. Okay, so in a ranging market like this, what do? We stay clear. Okay, we stay clear. We don't force things, because that's the reason why you see you can get stopped out from a sell, get stopped out from a buy. So let's move on to the daily time frame to see exactly what the daily looks like. Okay, so on the daily, you realize we are in this triangle. Okay, we are still squeezing in the triangle I told you guys about, which I told you I was expecting price to break out of this little box, and you see price is still playing within, guys. Price is still playing. It came down, but it did not slip out. So we are still expecting price to pull up to this zone or even to this trend line before we see them crash to 1.14,000. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours to see exactly what the 4 hours has in store for us. So we are making this swift and simple because it's good to always understand exactly what's happening. Okay, so now we have this new consolidation after we had this previous consolidation. Now this is the latest consolidation we have. So we are hoping that price should pull all the way up to this zone, tap on this zone to give us a sell. Okay, so it's the same thing we see on the daily time, on the 1 hour time frame. So that's it for Euro USD. The biggest trade we are looking for is a sell. Okay, we are looking for a sell to 1.84,000. That's the sell we are looking at. Now let's look at GBP AUD. I told you we're expecting a pullback yesterday to this point, which price has not given us. Okay, so instead price is trying to give us a small range around here. Okay, so we are expecting that price should break to the downside, tap on this level so we can extend our trend line. Okay, we can tap on our trend line or pull all the way down to this level for us to continue buying. So I think that's what we have on these pairs as of today. So overall, we'll do a top-down analysis over the weekend so that you should see exactly where everything is going. But as of now, this is exactly what we have. We had a daily trend line here, which was broken. Okay, that's why we are looking for buys. Okay, we marked out this trend line on the daily time frame, so it got broken, and that's why we started looking for buys. We saw it coming and we announced it because we saw this 4 hours change of character, and we saw that okay, there's a possibility now for us to start having an uptrend. And since after that, price has been ranging upwards. All right, so guys, if you are new to the channel, show some love by subscribing. Okay, all right guys, so this is what we have for today, and I believe this video must have helped you in one way or the other. So do not forget to turn on the notification bell after subscribing to the channel so that you receive notifications for every new video that I share. We do this always, and we also do prop firm review, analyze. We actually look at the rules of every prop firm and tell you exactly how you can get them, how you can pass a prop firm without stress. And we also talk about some psychology tips. We also do top down on weekends, and we have live streams at times. So make sure you are glued to the channel because you can grow your journey from zero. So in the description, I will drop the link of a video that will guide you on how to start trading in 2026. Okay, so if you are still confused and want to get started, just go to the comment section, click on that link, and you'll be able to watch that video and it'll take you to the next level. Let's go, guys.